I'm yes, airbrush spraying. Got all the kit. Just building it up. That's me cleaner. And there's my fancy expensive airbrush. I'm going to do them stone chips and them stone chips. And where's it gone? Here, look at that. Don't know what's caused that. It could be the chain. See it? So I'll be touching the bike up. You won't notice them once I've done it. I'm fantastic with an airbrush. But that's it there. Very expensive that one was. Got me paints and me lacquers and me primers. Got me pinstriping to mask off. That's my second one as an emergency standby. Matte lacquer. That's the one I want because it's matte. That's the blue, the old blue one when I started air spraying. And that's, I think that's, yeah, that's lacquer as well. But that's the main one I want, the matte lacquer. And the black. Fair enough, but look at that. Look at that. What do you think of that now then? I can't grumble. You can't grumble. Yeah, have it on the airline. Have it on the airline. But I have the compressor turned right down because otherwise it'd just blow your yeah. There's me line. Have it look right down up there. The pressure. It's an artist at work. That looks 100% better. Really pleased with what I've just done. Really pleased. I've took the masking off to show you. But look at that. Yeah, I'll come even close. Yeah, but I'll tell you what. It's getting... I'll have to turn the bike around, I think, and do the other side. It's where you take the calipers off to catch the wheel. So next time, if I have to take the calipers off, what I'm going to do is put masking tape over the wheel itself so it won't, you know, the thick white stuff, not this modern stripping. But I think I've got some on. Have I? Yeah, I've got it here. I've got it there, caught all there, so I'll have to turn the bike around and do the same. But lesson learned with calipers, taking calipers off because they bang straight into the wheel, you see. Right, I'll come up close. And if you've seen the original video, the tyre mark was there where all the scraping was. In the original video, the wheel hasn't moved. Look at that. Not a chip on it. Really gone to town with this with my spray